What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today. And what we're going to get into is just a quick altcoin update, and it's going to be XRP and Cardano. And the reason why I wanted to pick these two is I don't have a lot of time tonight, but these two coins have gotten a lot of hate for a long time. If you look at this range here with almost no volume for XRP, with all the lawsuits, everything taking place, it was close to 900 days or so here before we got this explosive breakout. So I know there's been a lot of XRP holders, there's been a lot of Cardano holders who've felt a lot of pain. It's nice to see them getting rewarded now. So that's what I wanted to do here, was just do a quick video of these two, and I hope to get into more altcoins in the days to come. But for XRP right now, main thing that we're looking at is this previous all-time high. And it's going to be at around $3.30. If XRP is able to get over top of that, we're in the blue sky breakout price discovery. And in my opinion, XRP, after all this time that it's been pent up down here and has just had such low volume and now heavy volumes coming back into it, this is one that I believe could double fairly quick. And I'm not saying to go buy, this is not financial advice, XRP, but for those who are holding this, if you're still holding it, if we get above this 330 here, you're going to be in those blue sky breakouts. And sometimes you've seen it with Bitcoin before. You can have a lot of chop and fight around this area before you finally break out. But once you do break out, you can really get that nice price discovery. So the most important thing for XRP, we need to hold $1.93, and this is going to be our weekly high or low. Right now we have went as high as $3.22. So getting ready potentially to challenge this week that $3.30. If we take a look at our money flow right now, something that's interesting, we're at a positive 0.10. Last time when we got up to this 330, our money flow in total, we saw a high of about 34. So this shows that there potentially still could be more room to run in terms of money flow. MACD still looking really good, and then our lazy bear squeeze all to the green here. So far so good for XRP. We're just going to have to see what we do right around this area here. This is where a lot of stuff gets crazy, and we're just going to see what the whales decide to do, but so far so good. So that's going to be XRP. Next one we're going to look at is Cardano. Sitting at $1.05 right now. Main thing for Cardano, what we want to do, want to hold this weekly high or low, and that's going to be at around 77 cents. So that's the main area we want to hold, and that's also a back test of this 200-week simple moving average. And that's a big area for us to get up above. We back tested it. Now we need to hold above that area. If we can, then we're going to try to go up and challenge that $1.33 up above that if we can end up getting this weekly bull flag here. If we take a look at the Fibonacci, went a little bit lower than the qualifications for a bull flag, but we're still going to say that pretty close. So if we do get that next extension to the upside, we would look to about $1.75 to $2.30 for the next target for Cardano. But what's nice is here finally starting to get some of that volume coming back in. When we did get our sell-off, it was on less volume, and that's what you want to see. If we look at our money flow, we're at a positive 0.27, so looking really nice there on the money flow. Lazy bear squeeze is back into the green, and MACD, we are still okay here. Still have positive, just moving to the upside. Histogram down a little bit there, but overall looking pretty good here. Going to see if we can challenge that $1.33 coming up for Cardano. So that's what I want to put out there, guys. If you've held these coins for that long and you felt some of this pain, you're getting those big spikes to the upside, don't ever be afraid to ladder out into profit. You know, even 10% like XRP, where you're up at that $3, if you're in at 55 cents, take a little off the top, it goes higher, then another 10% or 20% that goes higher, then another 10 or 20%, just ladder out the same way that you would dollar cost average into the market. I think that's one of the smartest things that you can do, because no one's going to be able to time the top. So I want to put this out here, guys, just quick fun video. God bless each and every one of you, and I hope these coins can continue to go higher. Take care.